everyone, welcome to another Ballet For All tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Entrelacé. So go ahead, get ready, and let's get to it. Entrelacé, also known as Jete in ballet, means interlaced. And we can perform a Entrelacé by doing a grand battement de bon. Both legs are going to meet in first position by doing half of a turn that ends in grand battement de arrière, changing legs. This is how it's going to look like when jumping. Now let me teach you how to do Entrelacé without jumps first. We're going to be sideways, arms in second position, facing the right side, right leg in front, battement tendu. We are going to do demi-plie in fourth position, left leg is going to brush through a first position, grand battement de bon. We are going to do half of a turn through the right side, in relevé, first position, and right leg is going to open back to a grand battement that ends in a first arabesque demi-plie. One more time, arms in second position, facing the right side, battement tendu in front with right leg, demi-plie, grand battement de bon through first position with left leg, half of a turn through the right side, grand battement, right leg on the back, first arabesque. Next, we are going to do it through chassé fifth position, step entrelacé. How are we going to do that? Effacé, left leg on the back, facing the right diagonal in front, first arabesque. We are going to do chassé fifth position relevé. Right leg is on the back. We're going to face the left diagonal on the back, left leg in front in battement tendu. We are going to do grand battement de bon with right leg. We're going to do half of a turn through the left side. We're going to do demi-plie, first arabesque, left leg on the back. And to that we are going to add a jump while we turn. So let's do it with jump now. Demi-plie, chassé arabesque, grand battement, jump. That's perfect. Okay, but now I'm going to show you arms coordination. You're going to be in first arabesque, second position, goes through brava, first, fifth, first position. First arabesque, second position, grand battement de bon, turn, grand battement de arrière. Now, before we keep moving forward, I'm going to give you some tips that are going to help you to improve your entrelacé once you start adding jumps. The first thing that you have to think about is to keep upright position when landing on arabesque demi-plie to avoid falling off the arabesque. The whole time keep upright position and keep the tension between back and the back leg. So pressing against each other. Something else to keep in mind is that your shoulders and hips are in a square together, and when we turn, they are going to turn together facing the left diagonal on the back, and again facing the right diagonal in front. And my third tip to you is avoid extra movements of your legs. As I said from the beginning, your legs are going to do brushing first position grand battement de bon. They are going to meet in relevé directly to a grand battement de arrière. So there is not going to be any rond de jambe anywhere in the whole exercise, okay? Now let's move forward to two exercises that I want to give you so you can train your entrelacé at home. First exercise. You can do it either sideways or you can do it facing the right or left diagonal in front of you. So I'm going to show you sideways. Arms on arabesque, first arabesque, left leg on the back. We are going to do chassé, fifth position, right leg on the back, tendu in front with left leg, grand battement de bon, relevé, demi-plie. And that's going to be your first exercise. You're going to repeat this as many times as long as you ensure that you keep a right position while doing demi-plie in arabesque. And now your next exercise, you're going to add a jump. So again, starting with left leg on the back, first arabesque, chassé, right leg on the back, battement tendu in front, left leg in front, grand battement jump, first position relevé, jump, and ends on arabesque plie. One more time. Chassé, arabesque, jump, jump. Now to do the two exercises to the left, you're gonna face left side, right leg on the back. Chassé, left leg on the back. Battement tendu with right leg in front. Grand battement on the bun, left leg. Half of a turn to the left. Grand battement de rear, right leg on the back. And I'm gonna show you a simple exercise that you can do at home to practice your entrelacé. So you're going to begin in 5th position, facing the right diagonal in front, arms en bras, chassé forward, first arabesque, left leg on the back. We're going to do chassé, entrelacé, 2 steps forward, left, right, and first arabesque, left leg on the back, and we are going to repeat again. Second entrelacé, and now we are going to do 3 steps facing the left diagonal in front. Left, right, left, first arabesque, and we repeat everything to the left side. Chassé arabesque, left leg on the back, right leg in front, facing the right diagonal on the back, entrelacé. 1, 2 steps. First arabesque, chassé, entrelacé. Okay, so let's do the exercise with music.